A feast of wonder. Created by the ever-curious minds behind Atlas Obscura, this breathtaking guide transforms our sense of what people around the world eat and drink. Covering all 7 continents, Gastro Obscura serves up a loaded plate of incredible ingredients, food adventures, and edible wonders. Ready for a beer made from fog in Chile? Sardinia's threads of God pasta? Egypt's 2,000-year-old egg ovens? But far more than a menu of curious minds, delicacies, and unexpected dishes, Gastro Obscura reveals food's central place in our lives as well as our bellies. Touching on history, trace the network of ancient Roman fish sauce factories. Culture, picture 4 million women gathering to make rice pudding. Travel, scale China's sacred Mount Hua to reach a tea house. Festivals, feed wild macaques, pyramid of fruit at Thailand's Monkey Buffet Festival. And hidden gems that might be right around the corner, like the vending machine in Texas dispensing full-sized pecan pies. Dig in and feed your sense of wonder. Like a great tapas meal, Gastro Obscura is deep yet snackable, and full of surprises. This is the book for anyone interested in eating, adventure, and the human condition. Find the link below and buy the book now.